Most all local businesses need some type of marketing services, whether they know it or not. And these marketing services that we can sell them include software that we can charge monthly. So the best type of niche to target with this specific business model is one that has same-day booking. A great example of this is car detailers. We're gonna go right into Phoenix, Arizona here. I'm gonna show you a few companies that don't even have website. Here's Top Tier Mobile Detailing, no website. Mobile Detail Arizona, no website. We scroll down a little more. Little D's Mobile Detailing LLC, no website. So there are a ton of car detailers that don't even have websites here. You could go ahead, contact them directly, start selling them services, but I'm gonna walk you through a few websites that I found that are horrendous. ShiningDetailing.com. When you're doing the type of same-day service like this, you want to be able to get a quote very quickly, which they do have a get a quote button, but it brings us to a contact us page with a form fill. Let's just count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 different form fill boxes that you have to fill out to get in contact with these people. That's way too long to have on a contact us page. You actually only need 3 things. You need their name, their phone number, and their email. If you wanted to, you could build a booking page for them, which I go over in one of my other videos, that hooks up right to your Google Calendar, and then they can book online, get an email sent to them, and you just call them, verify, get any more information that you need at that point. A few other things I don't like about this website is the black background. It's just awful. It does not look good at all. As we scroll down here, they have get a quote, they have a phone number here. As we scroll down, they have a Labor Day sale. They do have products here that you can click. Let's see what they give. Like I said, just the font, everything here, this doesn't even look like a button, but it's a button. And the button actually just goes to their telephone number, as you can see in the bottom left of my screen right here, which is not ideal for what we're trying to do here. Their columns are a little messed up here. It's just a pretty poor looking website. Another thing we like to do is check if it's mobile optimized. Go ahead, press F12 on your computer. It's gonna bring it up like this. As you can see, it cuts off all of the pictures, all of their navigational tabs at the top. We scroll down, we can't even click these buttons. And it just kind of cuts the website in half. As you can see, it doesn't do a very good job in mobile that you can create a mobile optimized website for them. I have other videos going over exactly how to do this on Go High Level, which is a very easy platform to use to build websites, but more on that later. I do like this before and after picture. I think it's good for them to have this. I would have a ton more of these, and I would fix this column. Right here, they have 1 column, 2 columns, but as you can see, there's just a lot of wasted space here. They need to have column, and they need to have the pictures before and after here. That will give a nice touch to it. Like I mentioned, this white on black is just not a very good look here. The red, it's not even bold. There's a lot of different things going on here. This should probably be centered. They do have request a quote, but as we already went over, actually, let's click this button. It doesn't even work. This is a broken link here. That's else you can let them that they have an issue with their website for. Scotty Shine, it's just as bad. I'm gonna show you guys exactly why. This font, not a good font. Looks a little childish to me. Doesn't really flow with the website here. They don't really have anything. This should be a page. They do have a call or text up here at the top right, but the issue with this is it's not even a button, right? I can't even click this to call or text them. Let's say I'm on mobile, I want to click this and then have it call them instantly. I can't do that. This looks like a button, but it's not a button. That needs to be fixed. We go to detailing here. They do have packages. I can't even see this text though, unless I highlight it, right? As you can see, cars $150, mid-size SUVs $200, full-size SUVs $250. Whew, a lot to unpack here. But like I mentioned, the background does not go well with this. I don't like how small these images are. They take up 1 single column in the middle. You should have multiple columns here and then have multiple images. This isn't even centered right here, this picture. It does look like they have some type of chat widget here. That's a good touch. They need to actually make sure that it's working though. This is kind of just all over the place. Like I mentioned, I would definitely contact this guy, sell him a new website that actually functions. Let's check mobile. It is not mobile optimized. As you can see, it just cuts the screen right in half. Pretty horrible website. I'd give this like an F. Next Level Detail. It looks like it's a Squarespace site. As you can see up at the top, it says square.site. Let's see what they have going on here. I don't really like this banner. Their image and their actual logo up here in the middle is just awful. It's tiny. What they really should have done is they should have cropped it and got rid of all this black space below and above it. And then they should have made it bigger. right? Because right now I can't even see unless I zoom all the way into like 500%. It looks like they do have bookings here. I do see that they do have services you can go ahead and click on. Let's see, here's a book right here. As you guys can see, there isn't really like a delineation between this service and this service. It's just a lot of like text. I think it would be nicer if they separated these out with type of border in between. That would just look a little nicer. You can clearly delineate between each service. All right, they do have the booking page working. That's good. Like I said, mostly it's design on this one. Page right here is just a list of their services. They should really have before and after pictures. They should really be catering to the that doesn't know who they are, wants to see that they're an actual reliable business that you can actually contact and get these services done with. Let's go to my bookings and see what that page is about. Looks like it's trying to have you sign in with Square. Like I mentioned, they actually just need to turn this into a page, and I think it would do all right. They already have all the products in here, a little bit of design work here. I think that could really go a long way. The great part about this niche is they're actually in every single state. Every single city, you will have type of mobile detailer, a detailing shop that will go ahead and do these services for you. They're everywhere. You can target this. This is an evergreen niche. And a lot of these people, it's low barrier to entry. You can get them set up very, very quickly with a lot of quick automations. Like I mentioned before, a few of the automations I would sell to this specific niche would be a booking scheduler. I would create a booking page and make it could book online from their phone, make sure it's mobile optimized, and that would just connect to our Google Calendar. And you can do all of that inside of Go High Level very, very quickly. Another thing that's good with same-day services like this is actually selling them type of Google review request. As you can see on the left here, like this EG Auto Mobile Detailing has a 4.2 star rating and they have 84 reviews. This company could definitely benefit from Google review automation emails. As comes in, books with you, you get their email because that's part of the booking process. Once they're confirmed to actually have your service, they will get an email sent to them. And then this email is gonna prompt them, hey, how did you like our service? Would you like to rate us? And that's gonna go ahead and automate the whole aspect of your business on the back end. That's gonna show proof, and it's going to help you rank higher in Google the more 5-star reviews you have. That's a very, very good service to sell these companies. You can sell that from anywhere from $200 to $400 per month, depending on how complex these email sequences are. The greatest thing about all this is you can set it up once. I have probably 7 or 8 clients that I pretty much just already had this built for. And I went in and I just deployed the same exact thing, copy paste, with all my automations. But to give you guys an example of what one of these email sequences would look like is there's a trigger appointment, and then that will go down into the confirmation email. After the confirmation email, you're gonna get a 24-hour before appointment delay here, and then that's gonna go and send a reminder email. If you have them fill out SMS, which is the best thing to do because everybody's on their phone, that's gonna trigger an SMS text to be sent to them reminding them of their appointment. You're gonna get a 1 hour before the appointment, and then a 1 hour email reminder, a 1 hour SMS text reminder. These are great for making sure that your leads actually show up to your company. This is when you wanna let your potential client that these automations will be all set and run automatically to every single lead booking confirmation that they get inside their business. There's a little bit of minutia here at the bottom where if they did or did not go to the appointment, then what you need to actually send them as far as a send Google review request, but that you can build, it's not very hard. But to give you guys an example of what a booking calendar looks like, this is what we can build inside of Go High Level. As you can see, it's very simple to move this stuff around, fix your ad copy. There is a calendar here. We connect this calendar into our Google Calendar. We can send our own internal team members any type of notification that we set. Obviously, you pick the time zone down here. Over on the right side, you're gonna pick which calendar this is. Sparkle Spa Booking, that's the one we're gonna be using for this. And then once they confirm what day and what time works best for them right on this page, very interactive, then that automatically goes ahead, puts them into our other automations, which I just spoke about as far as the Google review request, if they ended up coming in. From my research, this niche is untapped. There is tons of opportunities to come in here, start calling these companies as soon as possible and getting them on your roster. If you want to learn more about how I build these websites, funnels, booking pages, automation requests, go ahead, click my link down below, and you can join my free school community where I go over all of this in depth. Hope you have a good day. I'll talk to you soon.